Hey, are you tired of chasing crypto trends and still missing out on the real gains? Are you done watching others make 10x on their portfolio while you're still stuck trying to figure out what's real and what's just hype? If all this sounds too familiar, I've got something for you. Look, I know how overwhelming this space can be. One day it's meme coin season, next is DeFi, airdrops, or some new token launch. And unless you have solid strategy and real-time insights, you're just gambling. And most people are losing money because they're stuck on their own with no direction, no real plan, and no network of serious investors. And this is exactly the reason why I created Crypto Elite. Crypto Elite is a private VIP group built for people who are done with guessing and ready for winning. Whether you're brand new in crypto or already deep in the game, this is your unfair advantage. Inside, you're getting a full access to everything I use and teach, and what my network uses to consistently grow their portfolios. Now I will list exactly what you're getting when you join Crypto Elite. First of all, you're getting access to our complete Elite trading course. We break down meme coins, market psychology, DeFi strategies, and much more. And of course, crypto is moving fast, that's why we're constantly updating and adding new courses. Second, we host live coaching calls every week. These are real-time sessions where we cover what's happening in the markets, answer your questions, and give you actionable strategies. You'll also get premium market insights, including altcoin picks, technical analysis, yield farming plays, and early alerts for airdrops before they blow up. Then there's a private global community, of course, Crypto Elite. This is where you'll connect with serious crypto investors from around the world to share insights, ask questions, and build real relationships, which is really important in the crypto space. We also offer professional portfolio reviews, so you'll get feedback to help fine-tune your strategy and avoid costly mistakes. And yes, we deliver VIP trading signals with over 90% accuracy. These are the same signals we use to catch high-probability trades before the crowd. You also get access to the private investment deals and OTC token offers. These are the insider deals that retail investors never hear about. Right now, I'm opening the doors at just $49 a month for the first 100 members. After that, the price will increase to $97 a month, and trust me, it's a steal at this price. So if you're serious about growing your portfolio, if you want real guidance, real community, and real results, then join Crypto Elite today.